What's going on, everybody? I ain't made a video in a minute or two. I think the last one was in March. I could be wrong. Because I think I had just put this stuff out. And then y'all can see. I'll actually have to go back and look at the video to see where it was, but I think I had just planted it. I was just about to. I can't remember, but anyway, it's grown up. Y'all can see it is. Look at this. Look at all these. There, all the way through. There must be there must be 1,000 damn tomatoes in there. I'm not kidding. You know what's funny is when I had last season, on my other videos, if you go back and look, you can see it was just a big mess. I had done, I think I mentioned I couldn't find stakes. So I just let them go crazy. I just let them fall over and do what they want to. And they did well. They did super well. And actually so well that they laid down, and I just ended up, it got cold. It went into, they were there till the frost, and the frost finally bit them back pretty good. And I said to hell with it. I was getting tired of them. I had so many damn tomatoes, I couldn't give them away fast enough. So they sat on the vine and rotted. And they were still making when I pulled them up. They were still red ones, but anyway, a bunch of them dropped and rotted and seeded themselves. And them son of a guns, I mean, you see, there must be 500 plants in there. It's insane. It's kind of funny. I left them because I couldn't find, I couldn't pull them up. I just couldn't do it. It ain't in my nature. So I said to hell with it. So, it's going to be a tomato mess out here. In hindsight, I probably should have posted, on a Facebook page, something, come out and dig some, because I should have gave some away. And they're it's kind of too late now. They're to the point where I wouldn't dig them up. They wouldn't do good, but if this ever happens again, I will do that and just kind of give them away so people can have some. That would have been the best idea. But so yeah, these are the old tomatoes down here. Man, they're doing good. You can't really tell how good they're doing, how big they are, but them are better boys. They've got Gonna be a hell of a mess. They're gonna be a lot of tomatoes. That's crazy, but that's cool. No, I ain't got them staked. I'm gonna get some though. I got some of them tied up. I just been so damn busy. I ain't been able to. But it was weird because I had one over there that was as big as these, and all of a sudden it just started wilting. It just wilted like it hadn't got no water in days. And that's obviously not the case. I watered the shit out of it. I was thinking there might be, it might have got some poison or something on it. But, I don't know what the hell happened. So I said to hell with it. Eventually just pulled it up and dug one up from over there and put it in. It's going to be way out of time. The roots didn't have any issues. They were solid white. The vine looked good. I don't know what happened. That was the weirdest thing. I don't know what happened. I couldn't find anything wrong with it, but who knows? But these squashes, look at these things. I think these are patty pans. Again, I put a bunch of them out because they did so good last year. This spring. Or fall, I'm sorry. I don't know. But look at these. That's cool. I can't believe these things are about to bloom. That's insane. Another week and they'll be bloomed. Damn, these crows are insane here. It's cool, man. To see them little like that. But I tried to spread them out. I think I mentioned last year, put them too close together and they got downy mildew and all. So I tried to spread them out this year, and I don't think I got them far enough still. But we'll see. They're still gonna make good. But hell, it's they take up so much space. And like I said, I contemplated not even putting this out because I just don't have a lot of time for it. And I'm really not here in a couple weeks because I start a new job. I'm a truck driver, so I'll be gone for supposedly 8 days home too. So if anybody does any kind of gardening, they'll know that literally in 3 days you can lose all your shit, you know. So that's kind of what I'm worried about, but I'll figure it out. I have somebody come over and take a peek at it. But yeah, these are doing good. More squashes, yellow. And them zucchinis don't do that well. I don't know why. They do all right, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the variety or the soil here, but they just don't. I don't know. They didn't fill in last year. I didn't get one in the fall. So who knows? We'll see. But what I would do, what I should have done is, and this is for anybody who's kind of got a backyard that they can do this with grass and all, instead of tearing up the whole thing, just do, like with this squash, you could do 6 plants. 6 plants, dig out a little hole, put it in, there, something like that. Leave the grass so the weeds don't get crazy, and then you can, you can mow in between them and they'll grow just as good, and they'll have space, and them things will produce more than you can eat. I'm gonna be having to give this shit away. I don't know, it'll be nuts, and the tomatoes too, but that's fine. I just put stuff out that I could do, that I could kind of put on autopilot and just basically water it. I'll fertilize it every couple weeks or every month, and because by August, this stuff will be done. Actually, hell, by I think July, it'll be done, because it just gets so damn hot here. But anyway, yeah, it's going good, man. Let me show you all the cucumbers up here. Oh yeah, these are the onions too. We got a bunch. They didn't make a head, but damn tomato down there. Another tomato. And then my cucumbers up here on the fence. Doing super good. Pitcher plants. And then I got some watermelons over there up on the fence. But yeah, I'm telling you, these things, they will take up some space. And you only need, hell, one plant will feed 2 people. If you got a family of 4, you can put out three plants, and you'll have more than enough. Because them things, they'll put out a damn fruit every day to every other day, if you take care of them. But yeah, that's the thing. Don't take much, that's for sure.